Hey traders, Adam here to talk about another trade setup we took today. This is going to be talking on how you can use one stock for multiple trades during the day. This is good for getting extra profits off of just one stock, or taking a swing position in a stock and then being able to day trade it at the same time. This is also good just for stop loss management and profit taking opportunities. Stock we're going to look at is FST. We're noticing it's starting to coil here. We also knew that the small oil and gas sector, has been starting to heat up a little bit, so we're definitely kept this one on watch. We got this nice little triangle forming. You can see that we're getting stuck between the 20 and the 50-day moving average. A break of that 50-day moving average could send us out of this range and higher. We also had volumes start to spike up on this doji candle here, so we were definitely looking for movement to happen. Today we did see that movement as it popped out of that 50-day moving average in the morning, and then it just took off for the rest of the day. Now this is a good swing position if you want to take a position as soon as it breaks that 50-day moving average. Set your stop below the 20-day moving average, and then you can just ride this up at least till maybe the 15-20 level. Looking at it on the intraday, we see the movement for the day is pretty much straight up, but what it did was give us plenty of opportunities to buy in and sell additional shares. As you see, it made new highs here. It sold off a little bit. It finally pulled back. It was kind of a strong pullback, but it ended up working its way back. A breakout of those highs would have been another good buying point. You could add additional shares at that point, let it spike up to sell it again. When that happens, you want to move your stops under that 1375 level. That's the last lower low. Again, we could see it happening here, spiked up, sold off a little bit, went sideways, consolidated, tapped that level again before it broke out. It's another chance to add more money or add more shares and then scale out again. You can then move your stop up here to the 1394. Again, we see that spike up and then the pullback, but the strength here is that this pullback never made it below the prior pullbacks. It's creating a layer of higher highs and higher lows. It's a good uptrend. It also never broke that 20-day moving average on the 5-minute basis. Another good indication of a strong stock. Again, look for a breakout of the highs, add more shares on a quick scalp. I like to add shares and quickly scalp off profits on these intraday setups. You don't really want it to run if you're adding additional shares. Just take more profits and then do it again and take more profits. You don't want to end up just getting faked out and then lose all your profits for the day. So definitely take your profits quick on these. Again, you can see it happen to another flag after the run up. You can move your stop up here after it takes off. Move your stop up to that 1440 level. Let it take off. Does it again. Move your stop up to here. And then the last one, it never broke out of that top. You could definitely keep that on watch for tomorrow. Again, even when it did sell off, it still never broke that 20-day moving average, and it never closed below those lows over here. It never even got close. This is a great way to play one stock multiple times. You don't have to go out and pick a million different stocks. You can use one stock to make all your money in the day. You can still be swinging your position that you bought in around here and day traded all of these positions. So it gives you multiple ways to make money on this. Definitely something to keep an eye out for. Don't just set your positions and then forget about them. Definitely check those intraday charts for places to move up your stops. If you're just swinging, maybe you don't want to day trade, maybe that's not your style, that's fine. But now you know where you can set your stops. Move it up, move it up, move it up. As soon as if those lows ever got violated, you just don't want to be in that position anymore. You're going to take your profits. You're going to be happy. This was a strong stock. It had a strong trend. Definitely something that you should have rode. Hopefully that helps everyone. Just another day trade strategy that you can add to your repertoire. If you got any questions, please let me know.